This is for the United States of America and his partners that are involved in putting those soldiers, those war materials at the airport, the Haitian airport in Haiti. You are to remove your assets immediately from the airport in order for the Haitian people to go home to their family, to build. The Haitian people demand you to remove immediately. You have been violated the rights of the Haitian people for a very, very, very long time. It is time for you to step aside and let the Haitian people work for their country, build their country together. You have already caused so much damages. Now you keep the Haitian people's airport in hostage, and you need to be removed with all and everyone that are involved in destroying the Haitian at home. Remove immediately. This is from the children of Haiti. Thank you.